Hello everyone. The video you see is a comparison of the most popular and cost-effective AI tools I've tested in the market. I've tested all the top-rated AI tools and reached a clear conclusion. Each tool has its strengths and isn't just a variation of the others. Some can generate movie-quality masterpieces comparable to Netflix trailers, while others excel in animation, anime-style visuals, or fast-paced video editing. For those interested in AI, your time, energy, and money are valuable. In this video, you'll learn which AI model best fits your specific video type, along with each model's unique advantages and disadvantages, so you won't have to spend hours and money testing them yourself. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's essential for becoming an AI expert. First up is Google VEO 3. This is basically Google's flagship AI video generation model, designed for creating high-quality, coherent, and controllable video content. It supports realistic lighting, precise depth of field, and smooth dynamic motion, making it ideal for dramatic or high-end visual effects. Let's test its generation capabilities. I usually start by writing a detailed text-to-video prompt with ChatGPT like this. I want a hyper-realistic portrait video depicting a majestic, futuristic snow queen. She has short, slicked-back pure white hair with subtle silver highlights and elegantly defined facial features. Then, GPT provides me with a detailed prompt. Now, let's input this prompt into VEO's text area and wait for the results. This is a website for generating VEO 3 for free. The video is ready. Let's see the outcome. It looks amazing. The video has a cold, sophisticated, and fantastical aesthetic, with a quality akin to a finely crafted CG film, blending elements of ice fairy tales with futuristic sci-fi visuals. Every detail is rich and exquisite, cold yet dreamy, full of artistic flair and visual impact. VEO 3 truly delivers. Of course, this level of realism comes at a cost. VEO 3 is currently one of the more expensive models to run. But if you want such effects, it's definitely worth a try. Its visual quality is exceptional. If you're looking for similar realism on a lower budget, the next AI tool, DreamVid AI, might surprise you. First, free download DreamVid from description below, or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. One standout feature is AI-generated interactions like AI kissing, hugging, and more. But the core functionality I want to highlight today is text-to-image generation. DreamVid AI creates high-quality, watermark-free images that can be used freely. I'll demonstrate its image generation capabilities to prove its unlimited and free nature. This is the interface for DreamVid's text-to-image feature. Input the same prompt about the Snow Queen into DreamVid, then select the portrait model, choose the image aspect ratio, and click Generate. The first round of image generation was impressive. The quality is stunning, and the images are crystal clear. Now, let's try generating AI videos for free and unlimited with DreamVid. Select the image-to-video function and see how DreamVid AI performs. Let's evaluate the results. First, I must say that DreamVid's generated videos do an excellent job of replicating cinematic lighting and delicate color grading. However, the overall style leans more toward a stylized look, still very realistic. The details, particularly of the characters and snowy landscapes, are clean and refined. Compared to VEO 3, it does fall short in clarity and texture, but considering the cost, it's just a fraction of VEO 3. This result is solid and offers excellent value. If you're looking for similar effects, DreamVid AI is definitely worth a try, especially with its many free trial opportunities, significantly lowering costs. The image-to-video function in DreamVid is indeed powerful and completely unlimited, making it perfect for users seeking creative solutions at a good price. Click the link below to download and try DreamVid for free. If you want a more stylized look with fast rendering and dynamic effects, the next model might suit you better. Kling AI. Kling AI is a domestic AI model developed by a leading Chinese tech and social media company, known for handling complex multi-layer prompts. It has an incredible ability to replicate cinematic lighting and color grading. Let's input the same prompt into Kling AI. Wow! Check out the results. I must say, the overall quality is also very high with a cinematic feel, and the style is much stronger, providing a more impactful visual experience. The skin texture and other details are handled exceptionally well. No wonder Kling AI is well known. It's also a very economical AI tool for generating videos, so everyone can choose according to their needs. Finally, I tested Pixverse AI, which excels in AI templates and offers free trial limits. How does its text-to-video function perform? Well, let's input the same prompt into Pixverse AI. I'll place the same prompt in the Pixverse AI prompt box. Be sure to select the correct model. Here, I'll choose Pixverse AI. Pixverse AI has more settings. I recommend setting the resolution to 1080p, as anything lower will result in poor visual quality. However, I can only select 540p, keeping other settings default, then click Generate and wait for the video. The results are in. It's clear that Pixverse's generation quality is significantly lower compared to DreamVid, Kling, and Google VEO3. The visual treatment isn't as detailed, and the overall atmosphere of the video doesn't convey a strong impact. However, Pixverse AI does process quickly. If you're looking for a rapid visualization of ideas, Pixverse AI is the way to go. By now, you should know which model suits you best. Choose Google VEO3 for cinematic, professional styles, DreamVid AI for quick and clean visuals, Kling AI for similar effects at a lower price with a more animated feel, and Pixverse AI for rapid idea visualization. The best part is that DreamVid AI offers the highest cost-performance ratio. Click the link below to use it for free. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you find these tips useful, share them with your friends. See you next time.